The Samsung Galaxy A57 5G has just leaked online with official-looking renders, revealing the design, colors, and major specs of Samsung's upcoming mid-range smartphone. And if these leaks are accurate, the Galaxy A57 could be one of Samsung's most exciting A-series phones this year. Samsung's Galaxy A5X lineup has always been one of the most popular mid-range series. Phones like the A54 and A55 were huge successes, and now the upcoming Galaxy A57 looks ready to continue that trend with a refreshed design and stronger performance. Starting with the design, the leaked retailer renders show the Galaxy A57 from multiple angles. The phone features a flat display with slimmer bezels, giving it a clean and modern look. On the back, Samsung continues its minimalist design with a vertical triple camera setup inside a pill-shaped module, while the familiar key island button layout remains on the side. Samsung typically refreshes the A5X series around March, and leaks suggest the Galaxy A57 could launch alongside the Galaxy A37, with the A27 possibly arriving later. Moving to the display, the Galaxy A57 is expected to feature a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate, which should deliver smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and a great viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone will reportedly run on Samsung's new Exynos 1680 processor. Early benchmark results indicate a noticeable improvement in performance compared to the previous generation. The device could be available with 6GB, 8GB, or even 12GB of RAM, paired with 128GB or 256GB of storage, making it a solid option for multitasking and gaming. For photography, the Galaxy A57 is rumored to include a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. On the front, there's expected to be a 12-megapixel selfie camera. Battery life also looks promising with a 5,000 mAh battery and 45-watt fast charging. The phone is also expected to launch with Android 16 and Samsung's One UI 8.5 right out of the box. According to leaks from Roland Quant, the Galaxy A57 may arrive in 5 colors: Icy Blue, Gray, Lilac, and Navy. With its modern design, smooth AMOLED display, upgraded processor, and big battery, the Galaxy A57 is shaping up to be a strong mid-range contender. So, what do you think about the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G? Are you excited for this phone? Or do you think Samsung should bring bigger upgrades? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on Samsung leaks, Galaxy tips, and hidden features, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update.